welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Nicole. Welcome. I hope you stick around and enjoy some more of my videos. Today's video is a grocery haul. We went to Checkers and then we popped into Macro afterwards, and then we also popped into Woolworths. So at Checkers we spent 5.5, actually 5.6, and then at Macro we spent 500 and I think around 60 rand, so 560. And then I don't know how much was spent at Woolworths, but all of the stuff cost just over 6k. We didn't even take like everything that we normally take. This is just literally just filler. So everything that we needed to get that was running out or finished, that's what we got. We didn't get everything. So yeah, I'm gonna show you everything that we got. Okay, starting with the tissues, as per usual, we got 3 packs of 18. These were on promotion. I think they were, I want to say 129, but I feel like that's wrong. But we almost got 4 packets, and the total for all 4 was going to be like 520. So you can divide 520 by 4 and figure that out. But we got 3 of these. I think they were like 130. I think so. Like, I could be wrong though. I really could be mixing it up. But we got 3 18 packs of those. And then I got some sparkling water. I really like sparkling water. My favorite is the Thirsty brand though. And they had that at Checkers, but my mom said I could get it for less at Macro, and Macro doesn't sell the 1.5 liters. We also got these mini Cokes. There's 24 in here. We got some bell peppers, all 3 colors. We got these skinny fries. I don't know what's happening with McCain. Like, their spicy wedges rather, are almost impossible to get your hands on. It's been months at this point. There was a point where they didn't have any in store. Now they have, like, depending on which store you go to, they have like a few styles. At Macro they had these, and they also had like the thicker ones, and then at Checkers they had the steak cut ones. So it really is just luck of the draw which ones you find. We went with the American style skinny fries because those were really yummy. We also got curry powder here. We got 2 of these cream bottles. These are huge actually, 500 mils. 2 of them. We don't run through cream like that, but yeah, and I'm pretty sure we didn't check the expiration date. This says 28 October, so we're gonna have to have a couple of creamy meals soon. We got 2 bottles of Pepsi, and then at the back there we have 2 5-liter bottles of just regular spring water. We have 3 cans of each here, so we have 3 of these peeled and chopped tomatoes. This is the only one with garlic, the rest are plain. And then we have 3 of these baked bean in tomato sauce cans. Down here we have some ground cumin, some ground coriander. We got the green onion seasoning from Ina Parman's, and we got the garlic and herb, which we always get. We also got some aromat, and then we got some mango achar back here. We got this country style stir fry. Figured this would be a nice like switch up from the country mix. It's pretty similar, it's just got bell peppers in it. We got 2 bags of broccoli florets. These are frozen and the bag is ripped a little bit, so hopefully that doesn't make a mess everywhere. We got some tomatoes, some peeled onions, and then we also got this tomato paste. I like this packaging for tomato paste because I think it lasts pretty long. Yeah, 2024. It lasts a really long time. It's shelf stable, and it's just easier to store than the little sachets. So yeah, I'm excited that we picked that up. Over here we have 2 blocks of salted butter. Then we have some cheese slices and just a block of cheddar cheese. We have some lemony creams over here, and then we got some tennis biscuits as well. We have cremora here, which is just powdered creamer. At the back there we have Oros. I don't think I mentioned it. We have a small bottle of Oros, and then we got some full cream milk. This is a 6-pack, so there's 6 little boxes in there. We have 2 of these mighty big Twin Saver paper towels, and then we have a big bag of butternut cubes from Macro. In the front here we have some brown sugar, and then we have a couple of soups. We have 4 cream of chickens, and then 2 cream of mushrooms. I picked up these pad thai noodles. So I really enjoy udon. I usually get the udon noodles from Makokokoro, but they actually have them at Woolworths, and I'm pretty sure Checkers as well, depending on which one you go to. But I saw these pad thai noodles, and they feel soft like udon noodles. They just look slightly thinner in the picture, as you can see over there. Udon noodles are kind of thick, like square shaped noodles. These ones seem like thin noodles. But there's 2 bags in here, and I'm super excited to try a couple of recipes out. And then we got a box of cling wrap as well. Back here we have some bread from Woolworths, and then we got cornflakes. That's a big box over there. We also got some white maize meal, and then we have a box of choice assorted biscuits as well. So that's all the food that we got. We didn't get any meats because we just did a meat run last, I think, Friday. So moving on to toiletries, we have 2 of these Sati Skin Berry Fantasy Bubble Baths. These are our favorite. There's a ton of options, but that brand is just the one we prefer. We have a box actually, of daily liners. We also got some glycerine back here. My mom's using that for something. And then in the front here we have our roll-ons. So we typically buy Dove roll-ons, but my sister said it's not really working for her anymore, so she wanted to try something else, and we suggested this one. I hope it's good. I don't know what that black is over there. I actually want to open it and see. Oh, okay. It's just a seal. So yeah, we suggested this one. This is the Powder Fresh, and people, like, this is people's holy grail. Like, people swear by this roll-on. And so we got that for her. It's super expensive too. And then we have some MAC. This is fabric softener, fabric conditioner. We have 2 Baby Loves, 1 Velvet Rose, and 3 Baby Loves. 3 Baby Loves and 1 Velvet Rose. And then moving back here, we have 2 of these Nivea Irresistibly Smooth body lotions. We also have 2 of these gel activators. Both my mom and my sister have short hair now. My sister recently cut her hair, so that's why there's 2 of these. Over here we have bar soap. So we have one of every like scent option that they had. So we have one with papaya extract, one with pomegranate extract, cocoa butter with raspberry extract, and then grapeseed oil and rose water. I got one of each that was on the shelf. And then in the front here we have a pack of Kotex pads. At the back here we got a big bottle of hand wash. We run through the Protex one really quickly. So we have one for the downstairs bathroom, and my mom has for her bathroom. But we asked for like a bigger bottle of hand soap, because we run through hand soap quite quickly. We got this one. This one deals with germs, which is the main priority. So I'm glad that we were able to find a big one that does that. And then we got this Body Glove moisturizing body cream with vitamin E and sun protection. That's for my mom. We also got a Doom insect repellent spray. And then at Woolworths, we got these. These are the air fresheners we like to use. So these replace toilet sprays, basically. So these go in the bathroom. So we got peony and pear, 2 of those. They smell really good. And then mandarin leaf and oud. This one smells really good. If you like that perfumey, like strongish scent, that one's really good. Back here we have 2 MAC thick bleaches. So we have this floral burst and lavender burst back there. We have 2 handy Andy creams. So this one is lemon and the other one is potpourri. We have 1 bottle of POSTAL cough syrup. We have 3 Domestos, 1 white one and 2 pink ones over here. We have this blue 52 for the pool because the sun's out and it's warming up outside. And then we have a big bottle of the Sunlight Auto washing liquid. We also have 2 packets of the Sunlight washing machine powder. And then in the front here, we have these little Domestos hooks. Like these are the toilet hooks. We normally get like the thin long ones, but we saw these today and figured we would try those. We got some kitchen scores. In the front here, we have some Colgate Sensitive Pro Relief toothpaste. So we have 2 of those. We also have 2 packets of the Garby refuse bags. And then we have 2 packs of kitchen swabs. So this one is from Woolworths, 100% cotton. And then this one is from Checkers, 80% cotton, 20% polyester. So we'll see which ones perform better. And then lastly, we got these toilet blocks. So yeah, that's everything that we got. Let me give you a little overview. Not much, but we got everything that was missing. Oh, did I even show you the honey? I don't remember showing you the honey. We got the Kitchen Pure Honey. I told you I really like this brand last time. It's so good, and this is the only ingredient in this is honey, which is exactly what you want with honey. So definitely check the ingredients. Some of them are just honey syrups, and that's annoying. So definitely check the ingredients. But yeah, this is everything that we got. Not much, but it cost as much as normal groceries, so crazy. Okay guys, so that is everything that I have for you today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and check me out on my Instagram and on my Facebook. Whenever I post a new video on here, it gets uploaded on there as well, so you'll never miss a video. You can also check me out on my TikTok. I post occasionally. I'm always on Twitter though, but that's a completely different world. That's just Borderland over there. But yeah, all my social media is typically but yeah, all my social media is always linked in the description box down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay guys, that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it okay guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You can check me out on my Instagram and on Facebook. If you're on Facebook a lot, whenever I post a new video on here, it gets uploaded on there as well, so you'll never miss a video. You can also check me out on my Instagram and on my TikTok. I post there like occasionally. You can also check me out on my Twitter, but that's Borderland over there, so it's a completely different space. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.